I entered this workshop with an expectation to get better understanding of myself and my situation in order to become better in helping and leading others. The experiences that were shared during the workshop gave me awareness and interpretation of different leadership and action logic profiles and action inquiry. This workshop really stopped me from everyday's rush, which then offered me enough space for broader thinking. The impact is noticeable. I feel that I got a powerful platform for my own development as well as for my future strategy transformation projects. Also, I hope to learn to use my power more intentionally. Thank you, Amara. Well done.